Hey you all, my beautiful people, welcome to my channel again. So I just came from the gym, so I wanted to go wash my wigs. Well, should I do one or two? Yeah, I think I want to do 2 wigs today. So I want to go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some laundry detergent and fabric softener so I can wash my wigs. So I want to do a series on how to wash my wigs with all Dollar Tree products, you guys. So today that's what that will be for this video. So I'm on my way now to Dollar Tree to pick up those items. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring you along with me to show you the items to pick up, or the items I'm gonna be picking up from there. So yeah, so that being said, let's go. I will see you to the Dollar Tree, okay, once I get it. So you guys, I'm going to Dollar Tree now, so let's see what they have here. So we're only picking up 2 items from here. So okay, I found Downy fabric softener and I saw Gain. So you can pick up either or. So I like the Gain. Which one should I pick, y'all? They both the same, 3 or 6 milliliters. So I think I'll get this one. And then they usually have the soap, like the Tide soap or something. It looks like they're running out of it. Laundry soap. So they have those. They got these. So let's see if they have anything in this boxes. Also with softener. There's some mittens. So I'm just going to, let me see this. Should I use that? Okay. I'll just use this one. Okay, since I can't find it. So I'll just use this one right here and there. So okay guys, so we're just gonna use um, the 2-in-1 laundry plus detergent, freshener and stuff. So we're just gonna use this one. So really, I really don't need this, but I'm just gonna buy this one. So, all right, guys. So. Okay, you guys, so I am home now. So this is how my wig is looking like. This is the Amazon headband wig. I never washed it before. So yeah, this is the first time I'm gonna wash it. So you guys, so as you know, I purchased this soap and detergent as well. I mean, detergent and fabric softener in one, and I'm also going to use some of this, not much. So now what you need to do is to have your water lukewarm to cold. Okay, don't put hot water, but lukewarm to cold. Okay, and then you're going to take your fabric softener, and your detergent all in one. You guys know what I mean. So that's what you need. Put it in there like that, and then take your wig and merge it, submerge it in there. Okay. So you can see the dirt coming out of it like that. See that? So there's no lace or anything on this wig, so you know, you don't have to do anything to the curls or the hair. You know, you just want to make sure you get the parts that needs to be clean, the hair basically. So after I wash this, I'm gonna leave this in here in this bowl with the same detergent and a little bit of fabric softener. Why I keep saying conditioner? So fabric softener. So I'm also gonna mix these two together. So I'm just gonna take this out. So now I'm just gonna put this in and then let the hair soak for about maybe 30 minutes or so, and let it sit, and then I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna use this hanger and just put my wig on it and then let it dry so the water would drip down and let it dry, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm using this kind of hanger for. So just let it sit. Ooh, it smells so good. If you do not want to do what I do, you don't have to use Gain. You can just use this. They don't have too much fragrance on it or in it or whatsoever. So but I want a little bit of that Gain smell, because I do use Gain for my clothes as well, so it won't hurt if I put it on my wig as well. So yeah, so this is gonna soak for about 30 minutes like I said. Then I'm gonna go rinse it out and let it dry, and voila, I will show you guys, you know, afterwards how the hair looked after it's dry and stuff. So yeah, but let it just sit in here and take a bath, and yeah, so I'll come back when it's all done and, you know, clean up and everything else. So okay guys, so it's over 30 minutes now that I had this wig in this bowl. So now I'm just going to rinse it off and just so you guys, this is how the wig is looking like. It looks so nice and so clean right now. So all I'm gonna do is to just take my anger and just strap it, and voila, you just hang your wig and let it just dry like that. See that? And all the water will just drip down like that, and it will dry faster this way. That's a hack right there. Okay guys, so yes guys, this is it, and show you the bouncy of this wig. And yes, and it smells so good, y'all, so good. Okay, if you don't want this to smell like Gain or whatever, like I said, you can take a detergent that is what you call it, that is non-perfume detergent, and wash your wig. But I like the smell of it, so I really don't mind. Okay guys, all right. Okay you guys, so this is the wig that I washed and dried. So this is my headband wig that I got from Amazon. So it's been 2 days now since I washed it and it's dried. So I just want to show you guys the final product of this hair. I'm not going to install this hair. This hair is already been installed, and you know, on my channel. This is not how I installed my headband wig. This is how I wash my wigs and stuff like that. So you guys, that is it. I did spray my hair with this oil sheen spray here, so you can still go ahead and spray your hair and just leave it hanging right now. So that's what I'm doing, and just let it just, you know, do its thing and so on. You guys, I have a brand new wig again, smelling so good and fluffy and so on. So Yes, guys, so I just want to show you the final product because I know someone will definitely ask for it and say, how come we can't see the final product? Yes. Okay, so this is it. All right, guys. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye now. Look at this. All right.